Om Namah Shivaya. Here was a miracle oyster and sea sponge grown on the oyster. Eh, It's a miracle oyster. Sea sponge grown on the this oyster. It is very rare formation in the ocean, and you can see this oyster produced a real miracle pearl. Real miracle pearl. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Real miracle pearl. See, this miracle pearl is a mind-blowing pearl. You can see natural rings, Lord SHIVA rings in this pearl. See, you can see naturally Lord SHIVA rings in this pearl. Totally mind-blowing pearl. Extremely finest quality. Extremely finest quality. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So this pearl is called ring of Lord SHIVA. Lord SHIVA ring. Rings of Lord SHIVA pearl. And this pearl is about 10 carat and totally mind-blowing in clarity. Mind-blowing in clarity. Like this pearl can be never artificially cultured. It is a extremely 100% real, 100% natural real pearl. Cannot artificially cultured, and it is produced from the miracle oyster, which naturally grown sea sponge on the oyster. Now I will show on the light to prove its originality. Here under light you can see the extreme clarity of this pearl. See how beautiful these lines are. You can see the extreme clarity of this pearl. Unbelievable clarity. Like this clarity never can be artificially cultured. It is 100% real, 100% natural pearl formed from the miracle oyster with a sponge on it. See, you can see the Lord SHIVA rings, how Lord SHIVA rings is formed naturally on this pearl. Totally it's a mind blowing. And you can see the clarity of the pearl. Extreme clarity. It's an extreme clarity. Extreme clarity. See, unbelievable pearl naturally formed on this same oyster, which naturally sponge grown on this oyster. Totally miracle formation in the ocean. Unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.